Hey guys, it is AR here, and today we'll be looking at how to create an Easter egg for your game. So what will happen is when a player touches this part, which will be inserted in the workspace, the system or the server will create a chat message and put it in the chat, and it'll be saying their username has found the Easter egg. So let's get straight into it. Please like and subscribe if this helps, so I can do more content. So first we want to get this part in the middle and just scale a bit longer and make the transparencies 1 and anchor it and say the name could be Easter egg. So Easter egg. Now we're going to go into starter player, insert a script into character scripts, and we'll say game dot workspace dot I'm going to say Easter egg dot touched connect function. I'm going to say player, I'm going to say lim, and yeah, actually, and we're going to say if lim dot parent find first child, and it will be humanoid. Then we're going to check if debounce. We're going to have a debounce here, so I'm going to say local debounce equals true, and after this we'll say if debounce equals true, then now this is going to be making the system message. So we'll say game.start GUI set core, say chat, make system message, and we're going to take away this, put a comma and put wiggly brackets. Now drop a line and we should see these 2 brackets coming up, 1 normal bracket and 1 wiggly bracket. If you don't have them, if it didn't show up, just put 1 normal bracket and a wiggly bracket. So now let's make the text saying who touched it. So text equals lim dot parent dot name dot going to say has found the Easter egg. And now what we're going to put here, because we need to put a semicolon, because we're going to tell the script we're going to put more data in it. So we're going to say font equals enum dot font, and I'm going to say dot arcade, and color, I'm going to say color. Oh yeah, I forgot to put another semicolon. So semicolon, say color equals color free dot new, and we can say 100, 0, 0. So this 100 will be all red. So if you want it all mixed, you can say 50, 50, 50. If you just want it one color, say 100 or 100 or 100. So I'm going to put that. So this we should have it here. Actually, we've got to get the debounce. So if we go, here we'll say wait, say 10, say debounce equals true, and we forgot to say debounce equals false. Now if you go and run the game, click play, this should work. So we're saying if whatever touched it, the parent, and if when we find first child, when we try to find first child with the name of humanoid, so we know it's definitely a player, because say a part fell or something fell, it would say like part. Actually it might, because it was a part, say a part touched it, would say if it's basically if the parent of the part was workspace, it would say workspace touched it, because we said parent of part. Oh, and the Easter egg is right there. We go on it, and it says Arsenal Pro GGGG, my name, has found the Easter egg. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next videos. Have a nice day.